Today in our 2017 Honda Accord, we'll be taking a look at and showing you how to install the Rhino Rack Roof Rack. This is going to consist of the Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero crossbars, part number RRRVA 137B-2, the Rhino-Rack 2500 series legs for the Vortex Aero bars, part number RRRLKVA, and the custom DK fit kit for the Rhino-Rack 2500 series legs, part number DK359. The Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero Roof Rack kit is a great solution for carrying your roof rack accessories as well as gear on your Honda Accord. This roof rack is a lightweight aluminum with an aerodynamic design, so it's going to help to reduce wind noise and drag. This design allows you to use channel mounted as well as clamp-on accessories on your vehicle's roof, such as bike racks, cargo baskets, cargo boxes, water sport carriers, and ski and snowboard carriers. With our end cap removed, you can see that our weather strip is easy to remove and replace. It's also easy to cut down to use with channel mounted accessories to help prevent any dirt, debris, or liquid from getting inside that channel. Then if we place on our end cap, it does lock into place, which provides extra prevention from theft and tampering to your channel mounted accessories. If you did want to upgrade the plastic lock cores to all metal cores, that part number is RRVA-LEC4. The fit kit is going to be a custom fit to your Honda Accord, and any portion that touches our vehicle is going to have a rubber strip to help prevent scratches or abrasions. Now as for the leg kit, it is going to have a metal lock core on that cover, which will help to prevent theft and tampering of your roof rack system as a whole. Now keep in mind that these have a 165-pound weight capacity, though you do want to check your vehicle's owner's manual to make sure it can withstand that much weight. Here we have all of the pieces for our roof rack kit laid out on our table. You will get multiples of some of these just to be able to put together the other leg kits. Starting here, we've got our leg kit with our lockable covers. Then we have our fit kit that's going to include our pad and the clamp. We have our included torque tool, which will let us know when we have enough torque behind the bolt. This skinnier part is going to straighten out. We have our included keys for our leg kit, our included key for our crossbar end cap, that crossbar end cap, and then we've provided our own flat tape measure. So to start our install, we're going to remove our bolt here in the center. We'll take our clamp, which is going to be for the back. They will be labeled with different numbers, and the location will be in your instructions. We're going to tighten that bolt down just enough so that it holds the clamp in place. We'll then flip this over and remove this bottom plastic pad. We can take our rubber pad and we're just going to push down so that we don't have any holes or gaps. We want to make sure that our arrows on each side are facing out. So we'll slide that on. Next we can place this onto our crossbar. To slide this onto our crossbar, we're going to line this nut here up with the channel, and we'll just slide this into place. Now we'll measure this portion here, which is going to give us even crossbar overhang, and that's going to be set to 14.1 centimeters. With that set, we can take our included tool and we're going to tighten down this bolt. That's going to hold our leg kit in place. Place on our crossbar end cap and use our included lock to lock that in place. Now that we have our crossbar all put together and our doors open, we're just going to gently set our back bar in place. Now we'll go to the other side and make sure it's in about the same position, and then we'll take our measurement. Now that we have our bars roughly in place, we're going to measure from the center of our clamps from the front to the back to get that crossbar spread measurement. That's going to be 70 centimeters. Now we'll just double check the other side and make sure it's in the same place. Next, we'll take our included tool and tighten down our clamp. I like to tighten it so that it sits up against our door jamb. And you can see here that it's going to be a custom fit for your Honda Accord. Now we just want to make sure we do the same thing to the other side. With those tightened down evenly, we're going to start to tighten them down even more. Again, we want to make sure that they're even so we don't have the crossbar pulling to one side or the other. Now you'll see with enough torque behind our bolt, this skinnier portion is going to straighten out, and we can go to the other side and make sure it does the same thing. Once we have those both tightened down, we'll close up our doors and place on our locking end caps. Now our roof rack is secured to our vehicle. We're ready to load up any of our accessories and hit the road. And that's going to be our completed look at the Rhino Rack Roof Rack system for our 2017 Honda Accord. Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at eTrailer.com.